Okay, time has come. First cordless vacuum in my channel and brand new. Now I got this actually very cheaply and I bought it. And it is Miele Triflex and this one model made in Germany, not in China or Malaysia. So I don't know what to expect. I know something about this, but let's start unboxing. Actually, do I have to take it? Yes, it comes like that. And what we have here? Oh, nicely packed. Well, this is not packed vacuum, but nicely packed. Look at that, they really want to read. No. So, that you are going to read this. Well, I am not going to read this yet. So what we have, my allergies are kicking in. Okay, this comes like that. And it is mainly for quick vacuumings because I am quite tired of taking full-size vacuum every time when I see some crumbs on my floor. Oh, there is book. And I bet this is charger. So yes, here it is, and I believe they recommend 4 hours charge time before the first use. I just put those to side for now and then show you what we got. Okay, this is the handle part. Yes, so this is what you put to the vacuum or to the one. How you want to configure stick vacuum or upright. You can choose. Dusting brush. And this is tiny. Swiveling like that. Actually, I don't use those tools. I just use this for garbage and hard floors. Crevice tool, very short, but these are same diameter than mains powered Miele vacuums. And there is holder for those tools. Whatever this is. Okay, so seems like it is wall holding device, and there is also screws. They are really serious about these screws. These are like this long. I don't use that. I put it there. Okay. No, okay. That is one wide upholstery tool. Typical Miele. This feels very good quality. That is one reason why I went to Miele, and one reason why I didn't went to Dyson stick vacuum is the form factor. I like when I can use this like upright. And 5-year variant and not 2 years. Now, okay, that is one smart looking unit. This is so weird to me because I mean this is my first cordless vacuum. Obviously, if I had all the money in the world, I would buy that Seapo direct air upright. Just packaging material Do we have butter there? Oh yes, there is butter, and I guess I use force. They glue at these some parts, I guess. Well, anyway, here it comes. And you can buy second one. Pro model comes with 2 batteries. And this comes with 1. And I believe it is something like 130 or 40 euros. Let's take this sticker off so I don't forget that, because nothing is happening when it is there covering those sockets. And okay, 1. Oh, this is very smart. This feels so premium. I mean, I have used Dyson stick vacuums and they feel also good, but not quite good as this. Okay, that is that. And now power here. Okay, and let's move everything so you can see something a bit better. So all the things what we have. Okay, and well, those can go there. Okay, power head. And also there is one benefit in this, what I like, is that they actually use real brush roll. Well, not the stiffest brushes, but they are brushes and not those weather-like or those super soft, like dusting brush type what many cordless vacuums use, but we will see how this works. So far it looks good, very wide, this opening. And you can actually take it off, but I don't want to keep this. Oh man, why this sticker there? Well, it can be there now, because I don't want to let any glue there for now. So let's assemble this like I want to use this. So first, obviously, I want to see is there any chance that I can try this without waiting 4 hours, so butter goes there. I look like an idiot doing this because this is so new to me. Come on. Okay. There is the butter. And okay. Then, oh yes, my config, or how I want to configure this, my English is so bad now, is this. And nice click. So, I know you can see everything, but I really can't see what you see. So, there is that. And then this like that, and okay, things in the way, this to there. So it is now like a upright, and let's well, I guess I have to check if you can even see anything, how you can see. Okay, there is only way to use this is to wait that battery to charge, so it is empty. So, but I am liking what I am seeing. Oh yes, upright and not stick vacuum. So, for me it is like 4 hours, and for you it is probably couple of seconds. Okay, we have charge now. So there is these buttons. Okay, it wants to recline. So you can see there, and different speeds. So this is not anything else than quick go, and let's try on this very demanding rook. Okay, fantastic. Now let's try this low pile rook. Fantastic is that it's not too bad, or push it actually quite nice on all power settings. So let's start with low. And let's try some particles. Okay, I am going to use the medium power, and let's see what it does to this scope. Okay, so let's see it closer. So let's see the pin. Now what you are supposed to do is rotate this to clean the filter. Like that, and to unlock it you can use this like that, and to empty it there is another way. I guess it is actually yes, I was lucky, so this didn't drop this container. But let's drop it and see. Okay, it's all there now. And okay, this is the one part where people were criticizing this. So, but I'm going to end this by vacuuming what we just dropped. Okay, I know that this is just the first video about this, but it feels like it is cleaning well, much better than I thought. So yes, and I really like this form factor. I know that I didn't show that you can also use this power unit on top, but I am not going to ever use this like that. And there is plenty of videos showing that. So, okay, I have to learn that pin system more. So there is this unboxing, and thanks for watching and goodbye.